Hi all, this is the second advice for our students. Here, as we discovered in Cura some problems with the mesh inside. Here it seems that the teeth of our models are left inside and exported with the STL file to the face. Here we go back to our Blender, it's 2.79b, and we see the mesh. Hit tab to go in the mesh mode, and you can hide some parts. First, make it visible, all parts clipping to the tab. It seems. Oh, my English is so bad. And hit B. Take the upper part. Oh, we go down to the nose here and hit H. Here you see what I did. And then it simply disappears. It's just hiding. And if you hit Alt H, it's magically comes back. So H, and then you can look inside and see what's the problem here. Here you see it's down there, there's a vertex left that pulls in the mouse, and so this structure here is discovered by Cura, and I think it's also on the other side. No, and there's one vertex you see here. It's one vertex just left over. Maybe it's also only from the height. So don't do any vertex deleting in the height system if you don't know where the vertex belong to. Go back, make Alt H, so everything comes back. Hit double A, so all is selected, and remove doubles. And there comes, here we removed one vertex. I just put this down here. There's a bar up there, so you can see what happened in the last action here, so you can discover your model faults. Here it's just a mouse that is closed too far away from the inlet. Therefore, I advise to keep the mouse slightly open. You should have these bars here. I always advise to use if we go printing. It's the measurement. Here you can see how there it is. It's 0.4. This is the width of our line for printing, and you can see if it fits the part or not, and you can pull out or in. And I always advise with the amateur to keep the mouse slightly open, so you can tilt it down and make faces so it sticks inside and don't pulls this mesh problems. But in this case it fits. As you see, we get here good layer things. That's okay. Also here half the advice is on the walls. To get two walls, doesn't matter. Oh, let's go back to see it. Did it make it? No. It's just calculating. Let's go down. There we come. So 1.8 with this setting, and with the other setting it comes to, if it comes slicing 1.7 or so, it's 1.6, so it's 20 centimeters of filament more, and we will have a better stabler part. Always tick the extra walls every second layer. This gives also a better thing for printing. So here you should go to. Just keep in the range of 2 meters per part, and you will be in your limits for printing at the university. This is it for this tutorial here, and escape is our best friend, as we say here. Just hide, and you can see what's inside your model and save it, export it, and Cura will reload it. So see you next time.